Hello, in this video I will show you how to manage Google Wallet application on OPPO A5x. So you have to start by opening your wallet app. Then click on View Wallet and click Allow. And here on the main screen you can add credit card to your wallet, or you can click on your avatar. And here you can set up your payment, you can see list of payment methods, you can check out password manager, you can see your data storage in wallet, or you can enter wallet settings. And that's basically everything that you can do in this application, so that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.